रोलर्स रिश्तेदारों के फॉर्म में आते थे अभी सोशल मीडिया पे आ जाते हैं रैंडम लोग. मोर देन लुकिंग एट द एक्ट्रेसेस, आई वाज जस्ट फैसिनेटेड अबाउट द फैक्ट दैट शूटिंग कैसे होती है एंड यू नो मेकअप चल रहा है, द होल माहौल. आई बिलीव्ड दैट आई बिलोंग्ड देयर. क्रिएटिव ऑन पूजा पाठ करो भाई.
Hi, everybody. Welcome to another episode of The First 90%. Today, we have again another very special guest, Shrishti Rode. She's I would call a veteran of the entertainment industry. She's been in the industry for 16 years and has been part of iconic projects like The Big Boss and The Kapil Sharma Show. So, welcome, Shrishti.
Thank you, Raghav. Thank you for such a nice introduction. Thank you so much.
So, do you feel like a veteran? You've been in the industry for 16 years.
I mean, you know, there is some part of me that does feel like a veteran because, you know, when I come in front of newcomers, it feels nice. मेरे को तो बहुत साल हो चुके हैं इंडस्ट्री में. But yeah, no, I always feel that I'm very new and I have so much to do and so much to learn. So there is another side to me when it comes to working in the industry.
So, obviously, you've been in the industry for 16 long years and you've done some amazing projects. But you are quite young. You are somebody who's been there for so long. You would expect them to be older. You are quite young, and you started very early.
I was just coming to that. I started
how
very
did
young.
you get your first break? How did that happen? What prompted you to start at such an early age?
So honestly, वो बोलते हैं ना कि किसी चीज को शिद्दत से चाहो तो कायनात भी उससे तुमसे मिलाने में लग जाती है. It was just that I always wanted to be an actor, but I didn't know how. मतलब कैसे बनूं actor. My father has been in the industry. He's a cinematographer and he didn't want me to be an actor. So जब वो मुझे producers के पास मतलब अपने काम से जाते थे और मुझे लेकर जाते थे as a kid, तो प्रोड्यूसर्स ने हमेशा बोला था, अरे टोनी जी, इफ योर डॉटर वांट्स टू एक्ट, यू नो, यू लेट अस नो एंड ऑल, एंड ही नेवर वुड अलाउ दैट. तो मुझे तो लग रहा था कि मेरा कुछ होने नहीं वाला है क्योंकि जहाँ से होप है वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. सो इट वाज जस्ट अ नॉर्मल डे. आई वाज वॉकिंग आउटसाइड माई कॉलेज एंड समबडी फ्रॉम बालाजी स्पॉटेड मी, टुक माई ऑडिशन एंड here I am.
Okay, so the face did the trick.
Yeah, I mean, it was just a normal day and I was walking. I didn't know कि कहाँ से contacts कैसे, you know, auditions भी कहाँ होते हैं, किससे होते हैं, who are the right people. It was just that this female walked up to me when I was outside my college walking and पहले तो मुझे लगा that, you know, even if, you know, कि ये सच है क्या, ये ऐसा होता है क्या.
You're always suspicious
yeah,
about
of course,
these
you know,
things.
because I had not experienced something of this sort. So it was very new for me, but then it worked for me.
You said that you always wanted to be an actor. Yeah. And where does that come from? What's your earliest memory of you sort of projecting that desire to be an actor into the universe?
I mean, see, honestly, I saw my father working. I used to go on the sets. I used to see the actors working and I was very fascinated by the whole thing. So, you know, पहले तो मन में वहीं पे आ गया, यार एक्टर्स कितने सुंदर होते हैं, कितने, जबकि मैं नहीं थी सुंदर. लेट मी कम टू दैट. आई वॉज नॉट वेरी गुड लुकिंग. आई कंसिडर माई सेल्फ अ लिटिल बेटर राइट नाउ, बट व्हेन आई वॉज अ किड, I was a tomboy. I used to play out in the sun. I used to play football. And when I say tomboy, I mean it because I had short hair. I was skinny. I was dark because I was tanned because playing in the sun. तो बहुत वैसी वाली हरकतें थी, लड़कों वाली. फुटबॉल खेलती थी, क्रिकेट खेलती थी. तो कभी सोचा नहीं था वैसे एक्टर बनूंगी. बट देन एक दिन मम्मा ने बोला, बस करो, अभी थोड़ी लड़कियों वाली हरकतें करना शुरू कर दो. दिस इज I mean, the later half of the school, when she told me, like, you know, 8th, 9th, when she told me कि stop. So then I started concentrating on myself and started grooming, and then I thought, अब थोड़ी उम्मीद है कि एक्टर बन सकते हैं. And you know, you like being an actress, you're famous, you do makeup, you do pretty stuff, but तब बहुत easy लगता था being an actor, but it is not. Yeah, let me come to that. सबको एक्टर बनना होता है कि एक्टर की लाइफ तो बहुत easy होती है, फन होती है, ग्लैमरस होती है, बट वैसा नहीं होता है.
What's the real story?
I mean, there's a lot of struggle. A lot of struggle. I mean, an actor's life is not easy. एक तो पहली बात तो कंसिस्टेंसी नहीं होती है एक एक्टर की लाइफ में. जब तक आपको काम मिल रहा है, जब नहीं मिल रहा है तो बहुत लंबा वेट हो जाता है. एंड आई थिंक एवरी एक्टर हैज़ गॉन थ्रू दिस प्रोसेस ऑफ वेटिंग. बीइंग एन एक्टर, पेशेंस इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. और आपको पता है, अगर आप फेमस हो जाते हो तो एक लाइफस्टाइल हो जाती है. उस लाइफस्टाइल को मेंटेन करने के लिए भी आपको काम चाहिए. तो काम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. और एक एक्टर के पास ना ज़्यादा वो नहीं होता, चॉइस नहीं होती है यू नो कि अगर आपको एक प्रोजेक्ट पे काम करना है तो आपको वेट करना पड़ेगा कि वो प्रोजेक्ट आपको अप्रोच करे यू नो अगर मैं जॉब कर रही हूँ तो मैं जाकर अपना अप्लाई कर सकती हूँ, अपना CV दे सकती हूँ, बट एक एक्टर के लिए हर बार वो नहीं होता है. इट्स अबाउट डू यू फिट द बिल, बिकॉज इट्स अबाउट द फेस. नॉट एवरी कैरेक्टर, योर फेस विल गो विद एवरी कैरेक्टर यू नो. तो ये एक एक्टर की प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है. तो आपका काम एक तो बहुत लिमिटेड होता है और आपको बहुत पेशेंस की ज़रूरत होती है कि आपके फेस के हिसाब से आपको कोई कैरेक्टर सूट करेगा कि नहीं. और कंपटीशन बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. तो और आजकल सब लोग हर चीज़ में बहुत अच्छे हैं. एवरी पर्सन कैन सिंग, डांस, लुक गुड. सो या दैट इज़ व्हाई आई से एन एक्टर्स लाइफ इज़ नॉट ईजी. सो आई रियली रिस्पेक्ट माई वर्क एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल कि मैंने आज तक जो भी काम किया है भाई बहुत किया है. So I'm happy about that.
So this, you said that it's a lot of struggle. There's a lot of hard work, of course. You need that talent, and there's a lot of perseverance and waiting, right? How much of the success depends on your own efforts and skills versus luck or nepotism? How much of it depends on the former versus the latter?
Honestly, I do know a lot of people who are good looking and talented, but luck के वजह से उनको काम नहीं मिल पा रहा है. Like I said, वो right project on the right time that suits you, you have to be there to grab it. अगर आपके पास वो opportunity नहीं है, किसी और को मिल जाएगी. So I feel luck is very important. There are a lot of hard working people. I must say, इस दुनिया में हर फील्ड में बहुत हार्ड वर्किंग लोग हैं, लेकिन आई थिंक वो लक फैक्टर ना बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. आप कितने भी टैलेंटेड हो, अगर आपकी किस्मत आपका साथ नहीं दे रही है ना, बिकॉज कितने लोग कितना कुछ कर सकते हैं, बट उनका सही टाइम पे किस्मत चमकना. देयर आर सो मेनी एक्टर्स हु आर फेमस नाउ, बट दे आर फेमस नाउ, दे हैव ट्राइड सो हार्ड टू रीच दिस पॉइंट. सो आई थिंक वो किस्मत का चमकना भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. सो आई फील लक प्लेज अ very very important.
So you are also saying that for example
Nawazuddin Siddiqui, Pankaj Tripathi, I'm talking about these people also, like they achieved fame so later in life and they're so talented.
True.
So पहले क्यों नहीं? टैलेंट तो पहले से ही होगा ना, talented थे तो.
They got the right projects at the right time.
I mean, I would consider myself also lucky. I mean, walking outside my college and being noticed is also luck, right?
Yeah.
So I think luck, it plays an important role. आप नहीं, मतलब कितने भी हार्ड वर्किंग हो, कितने भी टैलेंटेड हो, अगर नसीब साथ नहीं दे रहा है तो भाई थोड़ी.
Is there a way to short circuit this and hustle your way and create your own luck?
Create your own luck. पूजा पाठ करो भाई. और क्या कर सकते हैं? आई थिंक ऊपर वाले से मांगने के अलावा थोड़ा नहीं. ऑफ कोर्स मेरे ख्याल से आई थिंक वर्किंग ऑन योर सेल्फ इज समथिंग दैट अगर आपको काम मिल रहा है या नहीं मिल रहा है, यू शुड कीप डूइंग इट. बट टू स्किप द हसल, आई थिंक देयर इज नथिंग. यू हैव टू गो थ्रू इट एंड यू हैव टू गो थ्रू द प्रोसेस. इट्स अ प्रोसेस एंड अगर आप वो प्रोसेस के आप नहीं वो जर्नी जियोगे ना, तो आप कभी समझ भी नहीं पाओगे उस चीज़ की वैल्यू. सो इट्स ओके, इट माइट टेक लिटिल लॉन्ग, बट इफ यू गेट इट, इट विल बी वर्थ इट.
Let me come back to the early years that we were talking about. I want to touch upon the point where you were saying that you used to visit sets with your dad. Do you remember which sets you visited, which actress you looked at and you were like, मुझे तो ऐसे ही बनना है? ऐसा कोई moment था आपके life में?
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं था.
अच्छा.
More than looking at the actresses, I was just fascinated about the fact that shooting कैसे होती है and you know makeup चल रहा है, the whole माहौल. I mean, I believed that I belonged there.
Yeah.
Like you know, ये मेरा type का माहौल है. You know, you understand your माहौल and you understand कि भाई I have to be here. So I think this is what I understood as a kid. I mean, तब तो शायद इतनी अक्ल भी नहीं थी to understand that, you know. But the thing is, I've also worked with my father.
Okay.
So yeah, that was also a beautiful moment I want to talk about. I was doing a show on ZTV where my father was a cinematographer.
Wow.
And he didn't know that. So basically, I came after the leap. So there was a little girl doing it.
Okay.
और जब वो बड़ी हो जाती है, वो मैं हूँ.
अच्छा.
So my dad was already doing it. It was a very big historical show on ZTV. And my dad was already doing it and I told the production house, do not tell him who's coming. Like, you know, because तो फिर लेकिन सेट पे बातें हो ही गई कि सृष्टि रोड आ रही है, टोनी जी वो आपकी बेटी है क्या? तो my dad called me, like, are you doing the show? I said नहीं, मैंने ऑडिशन दिया था, शायद रूमर होगा. Okay, he didn't know. And then I dress up in that avatar and I go directly on the set in front of my father, and he was so happy.
Yeah.
So this is one great moment that I had in my
He
career.
must have
and
been super proud.
he was super proud. And you know, there was a scene in that very show जब मेरे हाथों में ना मेरे जो फादर का रोल प्ले करते हैं,
हाँ.
वो उनकी डेथ होती है. लाइक यू नो,
Oh.
आई वाज अ हिस्टोरिकल
Figure.
या आई मीन इट वाज अ हिस्टोरिकल शो एंड आई वाज अ वॉरियर प्रिंसेस. सो वो लड़ाई झगड़े में वो मेरे वो तलवार वलवार में फादर की डेथ होती है, एंड ही इज लाइंग ऑन माय डैड इज शूटिंग दैट सीन.
हाँ.
एंड ही इज लाइंग. एंड एज एन एक्टर क्या होता है ना, जब आपको बहुत ज़्यादा रोना होता है तो आप सिचुएशंस बनाते हो अपने माइंड में. लाइक मैं तो ऐसा करती हूँ टू फील द पेन
To
एंड
feel the emotion.
to feel the emotion. Of course you have to think of
Yeah.
something very bad and then cry about it. So that actor is in my lap and I am crying. So in the show my father has died on my lap and I'm crying and I'm crying. I can see my father behind the camera and I start crying to another level. मतलब मुझे समझ ही नहीं आ रहा, मैं इतनी जोर, पहले तो चीखे मार मार के ही रोना था, बट वो इतना इंटेंस हो गया सीन कि कट भी हो गया, तो उसके बाद भी मेरा 10 मिनट तक रोना बंद नहीं हुआ. आई वॉज जस्ट क्राइंग नॉन स्टॉप. मतलब मेरा रोना बंद नहीं हुआ और सब लोग लाइक पीपल आर देन लाइक सृष्टि काम डाउन. आई वॉज नॉट कामिंग डाउन, शेकिंग एंड क्राइंग. इट वॉज सच अ great scene that I did. After some time I get to know my father behind the camera was crying.
Oh.
And it was such an emotional scene because he could also feel the emotion, like it's a
Yeah.
place and it has so much energy and somebody is crying, and my father was also crying. So that was also one very beautiful moment that I had.
Wow, that's an amazing memory. Thanks for
Yeah.
sharing. So, at what point you also said that your father was not very keen that you go into the industry? At what point did that change, or did it change after you got your auditions, or
No,
he was
it
supportive, not supportive?
No. He was again like, तुम्हें नहीं पता इंडस्ट्री में बहुत स्ट्रगल होता है. ही इज ऑल्सो बिन अ पार्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री एंड लाइक आई सेड, इंडस्ट्री इट्स नॉट जस्ट फॉर एन एक्टर बट ऑल्सो पीपल बिहाइंड द कैमरा. इट्स there's no consistency. And I've seen that with my father also, कि एक प्रोजेक्ट सालों साल चल रहा है, उसके बाद जब ब्रेक आता है तो ब्रेक भी थोड़ा लंबा चल सकता है. So it becomes very difficult when you have a family. So he didn't want me to go through this pain and struggle. He thought कि एक ऐसी चीज़ करेगी जिसमें एक फिक्स्ड इनकम हो तो her life is going to be more sorted and whatever it is. So he was very protective as a father. But even after my first audition, he was not very happy. But I did a Fair and Lovely ad. So, and Fair and Lovely at that time was huge.
Iconic.
It was very big. I mean, it was the only fairness cream or the cream brand that was so popular.
Beauty brand. Any beauty brand at that
yeah,
point,
right.
right.
So
Yeah.
being a part of that was very big for me. And that's when he realized that she's reached till here. मतलब कुछ तो
अब
कर
कर
ही
सकते
सकती है. So yeah, that's when he started believing in me, I would say.
हाँ.
And today I would say that he's my biggest fan.
Wow.
Yeah, and मेरा कुछ भी आता है ना, कुछ भी कोई गाना आ जाए, कोई प्रोजेक्ट आ जाए, कुछ भी, he would see 10 times. Like,
हाँ.
I am bored. I said, Papa, stop. Like, I'm getting irritated from my own song, whatever. But he wouldn't. Like, he's my biggest fan, I would say.
When you had this desire to be an actor very early on in life, did you do anything to consciously prepare yourself for that? Like maybe dancing classes, acting classes, anything like that?
I haven't done anything of
Nothing.
this sort. And in fact, I get this from a lot of people. I was always very fond of dancing. Like, I have been a dancer all my life. Like, I am a good dancer. I would say, I would very proudly say that I'm a good dancer.
Yeah.
And in fact, even in my school days, like, I was the one who used to choreograph those little
Okay.
dance, whatever, on the special days where you have to
Annual
perform,
days.
annual days, and
हाँ.
Teachers' Day and Falana Dhimka, whatever it is. So I was the one who used to lead all of this and take the center stage. So, and even my college, actually, I've always performed.
हाँ.
So I was always good in dancing. So, but मुझे unfortunately as an actor कभी मौका नहीं मिला वो दिखाने का.
Oh.
Yeah, but थोड़ा सा भी जो notice हुआ है मेरा dance was the morning dance of Big Boss. I think जब मैं वो morning dance करती थी तब लोगों को पता चला that I'm actually a dancer and I dance so well. But I still haven't I got a chance to kind of prove my dancing or to show my dancing skills to my audience.
Do you do shows as well? I think do you get opportunities to showcase your dancing skills on shows? Maybe.
No, actually, I haven't really done any shows as such, but आई मीन एक आधा बार मैंने अवार्ड फंक्शन में परफॉर्म किया होगा, मतलब दिस वाज लॉन्ग टाइम अगो, एंड आई हैड डन अ कॉन्सर्ट इन साउथ अफ्रीका एक्चुअली.
Wow.
There I got the opportunity of dancing on the stage in front of a huge audience, because when I say concert, it has a lot of people.
Yeah. So you're, apart from being a successful actress, you're also a huge social media influencer.
Ah.
And as I was telling you earlier, what I really love about your social media account is the authenticity that you bring to it, right? How do you consider social media? Is it intertwined with what you do as an actress? Is it like a secondary thing? Is it a primary thing? Is it something that's just essential for actresses to do these days?
So the term influencer,
Yeah.
which everybody is talking about, has just come. Like,
Yeah.
you know, पहले when we joined social media, पहली बात तो इतना नहीं था. Like, you know, again, like I said, इतना exposure भी नहीं था. पहले social media was Orkut, Facebook, you know,
Orkut,
these
yes.
things. But
Yeah.
Instagram came into the picture much later.
Yeah.
And when I started off on Instagram, I was only acting.
Huh.
Okay. Later on, it became like an actor who influences. And now the term influencer.
Yeah.
We don't care if you're an actor. We don't care what you do, but you're an influencer.
Right.
So I get it. But I feel आजकल उसी का ज़माना है. Talking about how it helps and how
Yeah.
they're connected, I feel they're not now, not anymore, because Instagram का एक अपना ही base है. Of course, if you're doing something, like as an actor, if you're doing something, people want to follow you for that. That's again a
Yeah,
plus.
yeah.
But people do follow you on the basis of what you are on social media also. And when I take long breaks, I really take long breaks. Sometimes deliberate, sometimes it
Yeah.
just happens.
Yeah.
So whenever I take long breaks, I've always heard from people that we love following you on social media and
Yeah.
we love your social media profile. So keeping this in mind, I also have a lot of pressure that even if you're not working, you can make this the primary base.
In
Because
terms
that
of your
helps.
income, in terms of your
right, because
your
you know,
work.
in terms of your work and life में तो चीजें चलती रहती है ना. That's like a personal channel.
Yeah.
So you have to show your personal self. So I mean, you take it as a pressure or not, it's totally upon you. But I just feel that social media plays a very important role nowadays. Yeah, it does.
Do you get any sort of negativity or trolling
Of
on
course,
social
that
media?
is a part of life.
Does
I
it
think,
impact you in any way? Does
I
it like bring you down?
See, पहले ट्रोलर्स रिश्तेदारों के फॉर्म में आते थे. अभी सोशल मीडिया पे आ जाते हैं रैंडम लोग. बट इट्स ओके. आई मीन लाइफ के हर पॉइंट पे आपको कोई ना कोई पुल डाउन करने के लिए रहता ही
Ready
है.
रहता ही है.
रेडी रहता ही है. पहले उनकी शक्ल दिखती थी, अब नहीं दिखती है.
Yeah.
सो इट्स ओके.
But
अभी
you
तो
read your own
बेटर है.
your comments
Of
on.
course I read, and पहले मुझे बहुत बॉदर करता था क्योंकि
हाँ.
पहले हेटर्स नहीं थे. पर पहले इतनी फेमस भी नहीं थी ना शायद.
हाँ.
तब जब हेटर्स आए तब लग रहा था अच्छा
अब famous हो गए.
पॉपुलैरिटी बढ़ रही है, हेटर्स आ रहे हैं. बट तभी एक्सेप्ट नहीं हो रहा था. बट अब तो कुछ भी बोल लो, ऐसा लगता है ओके, वेस्टेड. So you know
But
that's,
this is what I mean, right? Like when I say the authenticity and that sort of happiness that just comes out even when I'm talking about hatred
Yeah.
or trolls. You're like, हाँ ठीक है चलेगा.
I
Where's
mean,
that
उनके
coming
मन में
from?
इतना हेट है. आई एम तो फाइन ओनली.
Yeah.
ऑनेस्टली मेरे को तो क्या फर्क पड़ रहा है.
हाँ.
आपके अंदर आप कूद रहे हो, आप जल रहे हो, आप अपना खून
But
जला रहे हो.
most
मैं तो
people are
ठीक ही
not
हूँ.
like that, right? Like most people on social media are not like you. They would be like, नहीं यार ये कैसे मेरे को बोल सकता है?
I mean, I've read a lot of comments
Yeah.
where they abuse, where they say some personal stuff.
Yeah.
पहले I'm talking about initially I used to even delete. अब तो मुझे फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता. अब तो मुझे seriously फर्क नहीं पड़ता. For these people, I mean, जब मेरा कुछ personal सी, I'll tell you something. Social media is also not true. There are certain times where I have a set of pictures that I have to post. I have my content ready.
अच्छा.
Okay, for example, I have my 10 pictures ready. और अभी आज मुझे एक फोटो डालनी है पहले की.
हाँ.
But today I'm not feeling well.
हाँ.
And I'm feeling terrible.
हाँ.
Maybe I'm not talking about health wise. I'm talking about mentally if I'm not
Mentally,
okay.
you're not there right
I'm not there, but because I have that picture, I have to post.
हाँ.
So people will feel that's my current state of mind.
Yeah.
But that's not actually true. And sometimes you put like matlab deep quotes or you know something, but that's also not because you relate to it, but you just like it because you just feel that that's so nice.
हाँ.
So and people will say अच्छा इसके लाइफ में ये चल रहा है. तो सोशल मीडिया पे तो वैसे ही जजमेंट करने के लिए लोग बैठे हैं. सोशल मीडिया इज ऑल अबाउट जजमेंट्स. यू पास जजमेंट्स. तो हम भी एक साइड है, सबका ही होता है, सबके अप्स एंड डाउन्स आते हैं, बट बिकॉज आई कंसिडर सोशल मीडिया एज अ पेज वेयर आई कैन एंटरटेन माई ऑडियंस. सो आई वुड वॉन्ट टू एंटरटेन एंड नॉट शो देम द बैड पार्ट, बट दैट डजंट मीन दैट आई एम नॉट गोइंग थ्रू एनी.
Yeah.
I do have a side where I'm troubled, where I am not okay, and that is absolutely okay. But I don't want to show that to my audience because I mean I have to make myself all right.
Yeah,
तो मैं उनको दिखा के क्या करूँ? Instead, if I can make somebody's day, I would rather do that. I would have that kind of an attitude कि मैं जब social media पे कुछ जाऊँ किसी को अच्छा ही लगे, किसी को. And बहुत recently एक actor ने मुझे आके बोला that whenever I feel low, I go to your profile.
Wow.
And I feel very motivated. जब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कोई आइडिया नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ नहीं हो रहा ना अच्छा सोशल मीडिया पे, तो I actually go to your profile and that made me so happy because that's my purpose. That is my purpose. I mean, what am I posting for? I want my audience to be happy. I want them to like what I'm doing. And if they are inspired, nothing like it.
Yeah. So I do think that social media earlier was more of a private space where people are like, today I ate a sandwich, for example, right? And now it's become more like you're talking to your audience and the audience is
And
probably
showing
there.
the best stuff, and
Yeah, because they're there for the entertainment. They're
Right,
not
but-
there to know कि आप क्या
No,
कर
but
रहे हो.
there are some who want to know कि मैंने आज sandwich खाया. So I do have that side
Okay.
also on social media where I would just do anything
हाँ.
like to. सब लोग ऐसा लगे अरे ये तो हमारे जैसी है,
अच्छा.
पर हम सब एक जैसे ही हैं, हम सब ह्यूमंस हैं. एक्टर या नॉन एक्टर होने से कुछ नहीं, आप कितने स्टाइल से दिखा सकते हो अपने, ये एक वो होता है, बट at the end of the day हम सब सैंडविच खाते हैं. So
Right,
yeah, I do
right.
have that side also where I show how we are and
Yeah.
we are all alike.
Do you think the way that you got your entry into the industry, which is outside college, somebody came and they said कि चलो audition करते हैं, is that possible today in the days of social media?
No.
Why
I
not?
feel that is very, very difficult because I mean earlier exposure बहुत कम था लोगों के लिए भी और लोगों के लिए भी. Like normally,
both sides.
yeah, normally क्या होता था ना, जो कास्टिंग वाले लोग होते थे जो मेन, उनको समझ नहीं आता था कि लोगों को खोजे कहाँ यू नो कि सुंदर चेहरा कहाँ दिखेगा. तो जब उनको रास्ते पे कोई अच्छा पोटेंशियल दिख जाता था, दे यूज्ड टू गो एंड अप्रोच. अब आपको इंस्टाग्राम खोलो और सब मिल जाएगा, तो किसी के पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. बट एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई सेड, सोशल मीडिया की वजह से बहुत लोगों का भला हो रहा है. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर गेटिंग अ लॉट ऑफ अपॉर्चुनिटीज एंड आई फील दैट इज गुड बिकॉज एवरीबडी can earn through social media.
Yeah.
And सबका भला हो रहा है, तो ठीक है, अच्छा ही है.
So you think now if somebody wants to get into the entertainment or film industry, is social media essential as part of their resume skill set कि social media में आपके कितने followers अगर हैं तभी आपको
ये
entry
मुझसे क्वेश्चन पहले भी पूछा गया था. I don't know about followers, but I think लिंक तो बहुत बार मांगा गया है that can you forward us a social media,
अच्छा.
but also because they can see what you are, like
Okay.
how you can look, how you can be, like how you are as a person. It's like your private profile. आप किसी को 5 फोटोज भेजो, इससे अच्छा अपना सोशल मीडिया लिंक ही भेज दो for them to see कि how you actually are and how
But
you
there
can
are
look in
people
your...
who have a large audience and they are getting roles in movies because of that as well.
I mean,
Would
yeah,
you
I
agree?
mean for some people it's working and that's good.
Who do you hang out with? Who are your friends? Do you have like friends who are from the industry, outside the industry?
I think both. Since
Acha.
I've been in the industry for so long, I have a lot of friends from the industry. But then I prefer chilling with people outside the industry because what happens is industry वालों के साथ chill करके ना वही बातें होती.
हाँ.
And sometimes you need a break.
हाँ.
होता है ना, keep your work and personal life separate. So chilling with industry people is actually work life only because everybody is just about work and there are
Is
very
it
few
easy
people.
to separate out those two lives?
I mean, with the people, yes. If you're
Okay.
chilling with your normal set of people, it is different. But when you're chilling with somebody from the industry, it is a little different. Yeah.
Is it easy to meet new people, or do you end up chilling with people, especially people outside the industry? Is it the same friends that you had growing up, or is it easy to meet new people?
No, it's not easy to meet new people. It is actually not easy. Because there was a time when I was trying to actually change my circle.
Okay.
I wanted to. Because what happens is sometimes people fall apart. And I was actually falling
Yeah.
apart with a lot of people. And मुझे समझ नहीं आता कि प्रॉब्लम मैं हूँ या प्रॉब्लम वो है. You know, you start doubting yourself that are you with the right kind of people. And I had a lot of friends back then outside the industry and actually in the industry also, जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था that I am giving in too much, but I'm not getting the same kind of
Yeah.
whatever from the other friends. And मुझे ऐसा लगा था मैं ही बहुत ज़्यादा कोशिश कर रही हूँ to keep up the friendship. So जब मैंने छोड़ दिया ना तो वो टूट गया.
हाँ.
तो मुझे समझ में आया कि प्रॉब्लम मैं नहीं थी बिकॉज मैं तो आई वॉज ट्राइंग टू कीप एवरीथिंग टुगेदर
Yeah.
बट द डे आई थॉट दैट आई विल नॉट एंड आई विल वेट things were not in place and that's how I lost a lot of friends and मुझे लग रहा था यार मैं या तो इतनी बुरी friend हूँ but I was not. They were so used to me doing things that they
Yeah.
were very okay to not. So when I had my new set of friends, I made sure that I don't repeat the same mistake of giving so much one-sided that सामने वाले को आदत ही पड़ जाए. So yeah, when that was happening, it was very difficult for me to kind of meet new people, make new friends, and I think I might sound like an extrovert, but I'm actually not. I mean, I am an extrovert, but then I do have that introvert side to myself. And when it comes to making new friends, I'm a extreme introvert.
Yeah.
Like, you know, I can't talk to new people and unless it's not work. But just to be friends with someone outside and, you know, talk and have a conversation, it's kind of little difficult for me. So it is difficult in today's date to make new and genuine friends, I would say.
Is there a part about, you know, if people are not from the industry and you genuinely connect with that person, but do they get intimidated by you or by your personality, or do they feel like if I, you know, take it forward too much, then the other person might feel like कि ज़्यादा closeness हो रहा है या
ये बहुत नॉर्मल है.
हो
ये
सकता है.
बहुत नॉर्मल है बिकॉज अ लॉट ऑफ लोगों के ना माइंड में
हाँ.
सेट है अरे ये तो एक्टर है.
एक्टर है, करेक्ट.
आई मीन यू नो मैंने तो नहीं बोला अरे ये तो डॉक्टर है, अरे ये तो लॉयर है. आई मीन हु आर यू टू जज somebody's profession and somebody's personality?
But they might be doing it in a good way, or
No, but I've got it in bad ways also.
Acha.
No, but not for me.
Okay.
I've got it for other people. Like my friends would say, "Arey, I said, even I'm an actor, but I am your friend. So you know, why would you judge somebody like that?" So I know that people who are not actors would see actors in a different way.
Yeah.
और actor तो acting ही कर रहा है. मतलब ये क्या होता
Oh,
है? या
from
मतलब
that point of
you know
view.
कि
अच्छा.
an actor cannot be a loyal friend. Acting ही कर रहा है या कुछ भी आ सकता है. You know, ये लोगों के mind में होता है. Also ये होता है, oh, you are तो an actor, you would do this. I mean, do you know? Like people who've not known me, like my friend's girlfriend. Okay, my best friend, his girlfriend, he would not make me meet her because he's like, यार उसको लगता है तू actor है. उसको मैं बोलती तू क्या? You know me since 10 years, so you should make things comfortable, right? But she, without meeting would already think, oh no, she's an actor. So what? Like, you know,
I think
meet
that
a person-
the whole group or the whole class of
Yeah.
actors are so
Yeah,
far away from
yeah.
all us normal people.
Yeah.
So
How-
sometimes we forget that everybody, like actors are also like
I mean, how
regular
difficult
people.
is it to talk to me? Like, you know,
Exactly, yeah.
where am I showing my actorness in this? We are just having a normal conversation and we
Exactly.
can have a
Yeah.
normal conversation normally. Like, यहाँ पे acting नहीं आती है. So, yeah, this is something that I have faced.
Yeah. So, and how does it translate into, for example, your dating life? Because you're currently single and not married also, right? So, is it hard? Is it you're at a good place, or it's are you seeking out love?
I mean, what happens is I always wanted to date someone outside the industry. And when you have a circle outside the industry, वो लोग बहुत limited circle है जो मेरा बचपन से ही है. So, you know, like I said, it's very difficult to make friends outside the industry. But within the industry, it's very simple. Because क्या होता है, किसी आप एक पार्टी में जाओ, वहाँ 10 लोग नए लोगों से मिलते हो और आप सेम माइंडसेट में रहते हो. But आपको वहाँ जाना ही नहीं है. And if you ask me, why would you not want to date an actor? Because I don't want to be in the same field. I know that I will not be... I cannot give my full self because I know I'll be insecure. That's my problem and I accept it.
Yeah.
I mean, I would be insecure. And my partner can also be insecure, but it's just that I would only be taking it forward if my partner knows that there's nothing to be insecure about.
Correct.
But I know as a person I will be insecure because of whatever I've gone through previously. So I don't want to be with an actor is what I always say. But Never say never. I know that is a saying. So, but to meet someone outside the industry, it's very, very difficult because you need to have that kind of a circle where you would meet someone new. But अगर आप वहाँ पे जा ही नहीं रहे हो तो आप मिलोगे कैसे? आप मिलोगे अपनी इंडस्ट्री से because आप वहीं पे जा रहे हो, वहीं से लोगों को मिल रहे हो. So let's see what happens.
Yeah.
But
I think it's something that people don't realize. People think that actors and people in the industry have it easy on the relationships and love side of things.
See,
but it's probably more difficult, right?
No, but I know actors who are married to actors and they have the same kind of mindset and it's
Yeah.
working well for them. So good. But with me, I also know people who are one is an actor and one is not, and that's also working well. So I think it's a very individual choice. And for me, I think it's going to work well when both of us are from different industries, not even from the same industry.
Got
I
it.
think that's more because I don't want to interfere, and I
Huh.
don't want the interference also. I mean, interference in terms of कि ये करना चाहिए ये नहीं, मतलब it's my personal choice. And of course the choices will be discussed, but then
Yeah.
it's better when there is no interference, like for both. So yeah.
Great. Can we talk a little bit about your experience at Big Boss?
Yeah, sure.
It's been a few years.
I know.
I think
Everybody likes talking about Big Boss and I don't, but yeah, let's do
so let's
this.
start there. Why do you not like talking about
I
Big
mean,
Boss?
I've spoken so much
So much,
about
yeah,
it that
yeah.
I'm kind of done. Like it's done. I know for people it's very exciting because
Yeah.
it's Big Boss.
Huh.
But then it's been quite some time now. I did
Correct.
it in 2000.
How did you get that part? How
I mean,
did
I
you?
was just called and asked for it. And I was offered Big Boss few years pehle also from the time I did it. Uske thode saal pehle also I got it offered. But then I was not ready to do it.
Do you have to like audition for it or
No.
You
It's
just,
not
they
an
just select
audition.
you?
Of course, we have a meeting where they kind of try to gauge your personality.
Uh-huh.
And I was just called for the meeting, like in general, because but I didn't want to do it. So like, just come for the meeting. I was like, okay, fine, I'll come.
Why did you not want to? Because you didn't want to be in the house, or
I mean, yeah, I think I was not prepared.
Ah.
Big Boss is like a मतलब एक वो शो है जो आपको बना भी सकता है और आपको
destroy
भी कर सकता है. Luckily मेरे लिए दोनों नहीं हुआ. Luckily नहीं, but मेरे लिए तो दोनों नहीं हुआ. ना मुझे बनाया ना. I mean, I was very neutral in the show.
Yeah.
Like it didn't work very well for me, but then it didn't destroy anything of mine. I think it was very important for me. I later realized because it taught me a lot of things. It taught me how to be patient, like I always said. Patience was one thing that I was really lacking, and I was a very hyper person. I still am a very hyper person, but then for a few years I was very calm. Only for a few years I'm back to my normal self, but then for a few years, and it did really help me.
You were there for 70 days, I think.
71, yeah.
Yeah, and is it really like you're completely excluded from everybody?
Completely disconnected with everyone.
And there, all the rumors that we hear about कि रात में जाने दे देते हैं और
ऐसा कुछ नहीं, अब पता नहीं.
हाँ,
See,
उस
I'm
समय
telling
नहीं
you, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बिग बॉस जितना पुराना से आते जा रहा है ना, पहले
Change
तो
हो
बहुत ही
रहा है.
ऑथेंटिक था.
अच्छा,
जब सीजन 1 हुआ था
हाँ.
तब तो बहुत ही ऑथेंटिक था.
करेक्ट.
सीजन 1 कितने साल पहले हुआ था?
बहुत साल
पहले, राइट?
हाँ.
तब तो बहुत ज्यादा ऑथेंटिक था. अब ना वो थोड़ा सा अपना ऑथेंटिसिटी उसकी निकलती जा रही है. दैट्स व्हाई नाउ बिग बॉस पीपल डोंट एंजॉय एज मच.
They need like
As
new
how they used to
masala,
enjoy-
यार. Like
I mean, and सब लोग वही repetitive चीजें कर रहे हैं.
वही,
For
हाँ.
people, for the contestants, Big Boss is all about झगड़ा.
हाँ.
समथिंग बिग सो दैट उनके प्रोमोज का टेस्ट, सो दैट उन पे स्क्रीन टाइम आए. तो वो बहुत ही रेपिटेटिव हो रहा है. तो आई थिंक जैसे जैसे साल बीतते जा रहे हैं, बिग बॉस अपनी ऑथेंटिसिटी लूज कर रहा है.
It's also
is
had
what I feel.
so many years it's been running. So
Yeah, I mean, थोड़ा सा वो I don't feel it's that authentic as it was earlier. I wouldn't even say my season, but it's nothing like कि आपको फोन मिल रहा है, रात को जाने दे रहे हैं, you know, अल्कोहल मिल रहा है, ये वो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. मेरे सीजन तक तो कुछ नहीं था. I can vouch for it.
what's your wish for the next few months or next 1 year? Let's put it out in the universe. Maybe it will come true.
I want to travel because travel is something that I love. It makes my soul happy. That's something that I love to do. And yeah, good work, travel, and good food. That's about it. That's life for me.
Do you think in fact, I read something around this, but do you think you've got your due in the last 16 years?
No,
Not
of course.
yet.
I keep saying this, not yet. I mean, after doing so many projects, there's always a miss.
Okay.
So I'm trying to complete that miss, and hopefully That'll happen
come
soon.
come do
It'll
something
come
really
soon.
big.
Yeah. Yes.
So your social media is full of these amazing pictures from around the world, pictures, videos,
Thank
and they
you.
just look so beautiful.
Thank you.
How do you manage to travel so much, and how do you manage to find all these exotic places?
Okay, so thank you for asking me this question because a lot of people are very curious and you know there are certain comments that I get on my social media. पैसे कहाँ से लाते हो इतना? You know, travel करने के लिए.
Exactly.
So you know, being an actor and a little bit popular, we have the privilege of something called collaboration.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just be very clear. We promote a lot of hotels which provide us staycations on a basis where we promote them on social media. So most of our travel is kind of covered. And that is the privilege we get after so many years of hard work. And it is not something ki free mein mil raha hai. It's because we worked so hard, we get that opportunity, I would say, to kind of do something like that. But travel is a very important part of my life, like I always say, and it is like my, it breaks my jinx. Like, you know, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि मैं जब भी travel करके आती हूँ, I change my stars. Because, you know, I travel and it just works so well for me. So also, because it's such an important part of my life, I work so that I can travel. Like, you know, people have different goals in life. I want to actually cover the world. Because the world is so beautiful and so big and we're so small and life is so small, so I just don't want to waste any moment, and I actually want to see what's around the world. So that's my motive behind traveling so much.
So do you pick your own destinations, or is it like whoever's sponsoring is where you go?
No, it's not about whoever is sponsoring.
Yeah.
Because every trip is not sponsored.
Correct.
Everything has to be kept in consideration.
Yeah.
Like where you've earlier been, your budget at that time of traveling. And let me tell you,
So they're only covering the hotel.
And also this is a very important thing. Traveling is not about spending money. आप कम पैसों में भी travel कर सकते हो. But it's all about planning. How do you plan your travel? And that is so important. Without spending a lot of money, of course, tickets. But tickets maybe you can save if you plan to go to a destination when the prices
It's not peak time.
Yeah, it's not peak time. So travel is all about the passion. Rather than कि इतना खर्चा हो जाएगा, आप सब कुछ manage कर सकते हो if you really want to travel to a destination by planning it well. And since I travel so much, I know that you can save on to so much money just by planning your trip well.
Who do you usually travel with? Do you travel alone? Do you have like a travel buddy?
I have just done one solo trip. That was last year around my birthday to the US. And that's also because of majboori. Because my US visa of 10 years was expiring. And I had not been to the US even once. So मुझे बहुत difficulty हो जाती to travel to the US again. So I asked a lot of people, but everybody was struggling with their US visas. And that's when I decided that I'll do my first solo trip. But otherwise, for me, anytime I plan to travel, I ask a lot of people because, you know, I want to travel with somebody. Pictures bhi to खिंचवाने हैं ना.
Photographer.
So yeah, of course, you need someone to click your pictures. But I do, and उस time पे जो free होता है, because you know, not a fixed person is always traveling with you. So उस time पे if some friend of mine says that, you know, I'm free around these days, so I can always plan. So like I said, it's all about planning and I do a lot of homework.
Yeah.
Before I travel to any destination. So मेरे साथ जो travel करता है ना, उसको सब plate में मिलता है सजा हुआ.
And what are the most amazing travel experiences or places that you've
I know I've been to a lot of beautiful places actually, so I can't talk about every place has a different vibe. So I've been to a lot of beautiful places, so I can't really choose, but I have a lot of places on my bucket list, and hopefully I'll cover all of them.
Last question from my side. What do you think is your superpower?
I think I'm a charmer.
See, that's a nice one.
That could be my superpower. I think I can charm my way out.
Or way in.
Or way in. Yeah, absolutely. Yes.
Awesome. Anything, any last things that you want to say to the audience listening to this podcast?
I mean, like always, I would want them to give me all the love that they have for me. And since I am not working on television or any other project, please do watch me on my social media because I always keep that updated. And thank you so much for watching this. Lots of love.
Awesome. Thank you so much for
Thank you,
joining, and
Raghav.
wish you all the best for
you.
that big thing that's missing.
Yay!
I hope it comes soon.
Hopefully.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.